Spider-Man and Wolverine are trapped in an alternate dimension run by ape men due to Logan's altering the timeline in the past. But once they arrive there, they notice that this world is threatened by Doom, the living planet, as Victor Von Doom transplanted his consciousness into Ego, the living planet. So to save them and the ape men, Spidey finds a solution, a gun that fires the power of the Phoenix Force as a bullet capable of destroying planets, but also the person who fires the weapon. So Peter decides to sacrifice himself to save everyone. But just as he about to pull the trigger, Logan knocks him unconscious and takes the Phoenix gun and goes out to meet his destiny. He arrives outside and remembers his whole life. Logan knew that someday the end will come for him. He may be tougher to kill than the most of the people, but he was never an immortal, and today is the day he finally meets his end. So Logan points his gun and fires. The bullet shatters the entire planet, but it also engulfs Logan into the flame of Phoenix Force. And right in front of Peter's eyes, Logan turns into a pile of flesh and bones, and Peter is blaming himself for Logan's condition. So he picks up the remains of Logan and melted it. Peter thinks he can use the Cosmic Cube to make him whole again. The Cosmic Cube has the power to bend time and space. It can reshape reality. So Peter puts himself into a lab, tries every possible ways to bring Wolverine back to life, but every time he fails. Months have passed and still no hope is showing. Meanwhile, Logan is floating in the darkness. He is all alone, but then he hears a voice calling his name. It's his mother. A hand reaches out to him, assures Logan everything will be alright. Just grab her hand. Logan begins to cry. After a long time, he is finally able to reunite with his mother. But right at that moment, Peter has got the Cosmic Cube working and tells it to bring Logan back to life. And as it activates, Logan gets revived. But he is not happy with this. He jumps at Peter. He is enraged that Peter ruined everything. After all the things he has done, everything he has gone through, he was finally going to be at peace to be with his mother, and Peter took it all away. So instead of thanking Peter, Logan charges at him with his claws and starts a fight. But while the two heroes are fighting, a mysterious person appears and sends Logan and Spidey into another time, while Logan is thrown into an arena fight, and he is going to face off against the Amazing Spider-Man in his earlier days as a wrestler. And in case of Spidey, he wakes up in a snowy mountain where he is surrounded by a pack of wolves and Wolverine. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below. And please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.